All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs Metal Raiders, 1 Legend of Blue Eyes, and 1 Pharos Servant. So let's just get right into it. Let's open these up, and we'll start with Pharos Servant. Everything Jinzo. 1 pack, 1 Jinzo. That's how it should go. Suppression. I don't know how to pronounce that. So the Forgotten. Oh, we got a Nobleman. Nice little foil there. Oh, little homeboys hanging out. Nobleman will cross out. Okay. I never had luck with these. We'll just open it. We'll save it to the end, but why not? Hinotama. 2-Mouth Dark Ruler. Fire-Rayu. Ooh, look at that. Little Monster Reborn action. Man, that was beautiful. 2 packs, 2 foil. That's, that was my only Legend of Blue Eyes, too. Let's get a nice little look at that. Ooh, that's nice. Put that back with those. Definitely got to sleeve these right away. All right, on to Metal Raiders. Gigatech Wolf. Lava Battle Guard. Blackland Fire Dragon. Block Attack. Ooh, Shield and Sword. Just a good card. Ring Magnetism. Ground Attacker. Jiragumo. Niwatori. Alright. We go for the Gate Guardian. Happily take the Mirror Force. Beautiful. The Bistro Butcher. Soul Release. Mushroom Man number 2. Trent. Witch of the Black Forest. Ancient Elf. Lady of Faith. Morinfin. And Thunder Dragon. I swore Thunder Dragon was a hollow. I guess not. Right. Monster Reborn, though. That's nice. Nice off the rip. Water Moddix. Armored Zombie. The Little Swordsman of Ale. Germ Infection. Oh, come on. Robbing Goblin. Super not even full. Prevent Rat. Mystic Lamp. And Gazelle. Alright. 2 packs left. 2. 1, 2. This one feels heavier, so we'll save it to the end. Ancient Lizard Warrior. Destroyer Golem. Castle of Dark Illusions, which might be one of my favorite cards of all time. Hiyusu. Shadow Ghoul. Doma. The Angel Silence. Ryukishin Powered. Crawling Dragon. And the Immortal Thunder. Alright. So, last pack of the day. Doesn't really feel that heavy. Okay. We did that Monster Reborn pull earlier. Alright. Castle Dark Illusion, that 1930 is something about it. Gigatech Wolf. Labyrinth Tank, Soggy the Dark Clown, and Melissa Radiant. Uguchi, Dismagician, Queen's Bubble, and Battle Dweller. So, we have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs? I thought I had 8 left. Oh no, I'll put the actual. Alright. But, obviously, our prize winner here is this guy. Sexy card. Go ahead and grab a sleeve for it now.